Oh man, Ktuned stuff. Starting to look a lot like Christmas, but we're just getting into summer. You know what summer? Hday Summer 2021 coming to New England Dragway, New Hampshire on August 14 and 15. And these things right here on the table, courtesy of Ktuned, coilovers, and some more goodies over here are for our giveaway project or EP3 all-wheel drive with a lot of S1 build parts and now a lot of Ktuned parts. And what was that, Dave? Damn, I just heard we're getting Yokohama at-band wheels. Wait till we show you that. Straight fire. We're gonna still put some more goodies, but we'll show you that later. For now, we're gonna focus on the unboxing of these parts, and let's unbox the coilovers first, and then we move on to the next box. But I'm excited because the VIP signups are almost 50%. We have sold 50% of our VIP spots. If you want to get onto that VIP, you better sign up to see if your car gets approved. Why does it need to get approved? Because that area is a special area and it can't fit the entire show. So if you get denied for VIP, don't feel bad. You could still join the general car show area. We also encourage those with sound systems that was very popular in New England Dragway last year to join the general car show, because we have an area for those cars with huge sound systems, the chuchero section and stuff like that. So we're looking forward to seeing all those cars, but at their specific area. Oh man, I'm so excited to see these coilovers. Let's check out the front. You know the EP3 was the first one with the McPherson strut, so check it out. You could adjust the camber on top. Really nice setup. Can't wait to Team Hday to get them on the car. That's the front. Let's see what the back looks like. The back is actually pretty tiny, and that's how it is on the EP3. But nice, really nice setup for the back. Aluminum hats, aluminum bottoms, adjustability. Can't ask for anything more. Ktuned, way to go on coilovers. I'm excited that our EP3 project with that all-wheel drive. I mean, how could you go wrong? EP3, all-wheel drive, Ktuned suspension. Let's see what else they send us, guys. Now we're gonna go on to the next box. And this box, I heard, is full of goodies. So you guys know the whole Ktuned catalog already by heart, probably more than me. So let's see. Guess what is on this box? Oh, damn. Right away, boom. The billet dipstick for the K series. Some sort of bolt, the coil plate with the hardware stuff. What else we got here? Oh, damn. We got a fuel rail. Check it out. Beautiful fuel rail. Billet fuel rail. Boom. Car is gonna get some goodies. Don't sleep on this giveaway. And you know what? For those who thought that the giveaway last time was very simple, it was really my taste. I love it. You guys know I love the goat. It was the goat style, and the people that won the car really liked it, so I'm really excited about that. What else we got here? We have a idle assist delete. Some more hardware. Oh, got a nice Ktuned shift knob. Boom. Yeah, and it's 5-speed, so. What else? What else could it be in here? What else? I know we got some more goodies here. Oh, oil cap, billet oil cap. Yeah, it's not blank. You get the little thing on for the Ktuned sticker. You put it on once the oil cap is lined up, and that's why it's like that. But now for the biggie. Oh man, check this bad boy out. Oh no, there's some more stuff. Oh, this is part of what we're gonna show you right now. That's the Ktuned red vented valve cover. Boom. Say hello to my little friend. This could be yours if you win that EP3 on August 15th. August 14 and 15 at New England Dragway for Hday Summer 2021. We hope to see you there. You could buy your tickets now at thefold.com, hday.com. And guess what? For the first time ever, while you're buying your tickets, you could get the official event merch right there at thefold.com. Make sure you check us out on Instagram at official Hday, Hday on Facebook. We're also on TikTok. Yeah, I said TikTok. And we got over 100,000 followers. So check us out on Snapchat. We're everywhere. We're all over the place. But we love to see you at Hday Summer 2021. Like I said, all tickets are available now. Get them while they last. And we will be excited to see the world's fastest Honda's drag racing, the most fire on the car show, and you know how it is, the incredible Hday lifestyle at the Lifestyle Arena with DJ Distraction, El Nino, Frankie 5, the Hday models, and the rest of the entire Hday crew, over 75 strong, serving you at the event just from our end. So we look forward to see you at New Hampshire, New England Dragway on August 14 and 15. Be there, hday.com. We out.